Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This time I will show you how to make gaming logo reveal intro video on Android. Like this. Okay, let's start. First open pixellab. Choose background. And choose transparent. And then, choose this plus sign. Choose from gallery. And enter the logo template. Adjust the size. And then choose shape. Choose relative position. Then choose this, and choose this to set the position. And then choose stroke. Enable. And choose this blue, and to make this blue, choose this plus sign, and type this code. And then choose text. Edit text, and type what you want. And then choose font. My font. And select this font. And then scroll up. And choose to front. Adjust the size and position. And then choose perspective. Enable. And set the text, like this. Adjust the size and position again. And then choose copy. Pick up the copy text. Choose color. And choose sky blue color. Watch this step carefully. Choose shape. Choose this. And for opacity make it on 0. Pick up the shape. And then choose this. Choose the blue text and the shape. Then choose this, and then merge it. Choose OK. Choose eraser. And erase the half of the blue text. Like this. and then adjust the position. Right here. OK, then save it. Save as image. Save to gallery. Next step, open KineMaster. Open an empty project. Choose 16.9, and then choose Media. And enter the video background. Check first. OK, and then slide to the 1.6 second. And choose Layer, and enter the logo that we have made before. Adjust the size. And then choose in animation. Choose pop. And for the time, make it on 0.5. Let's check. OK, and then slide to 4.5. Choose Effect. And choose VHS Scramble. And then make it shorter. Like this. And then choose Setting. For noise strength make it on 7. And for color offset strength make it on 10. OK, let's check. Very good. Next step. Choose the logo. Slide to the beginning of the logo. And then choose this key icon. And then slide to the end of the logo. And choose this plus sign. And enlarge the logo, like this. OK, let's check. Awesome, then export. OK, thanks for watching. Click like if you enjoy my video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, to make sure you are not missing my newest video. See you. Hasta la vista.